Hey guys, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. Just wanted to go over a quick video on another ZeroDTE win. Today at 10:30, right on the dot, set to buy a 618 call. Entry price was 1.23. I actually got in a little bit out past that. However, it did hit the take profit of 1.48. So you can see here, I actually got in at 1.31 today. So it moved very quickly. However, it took 10 minutes for it to actually make the target profit. Still a good profit. Sold at 1.48, bought at 1.31. So I made $17 per contract, and I did 8 contracts. So I made a little over $100 in just 10 minutes. As you can see, it's very straightforward how to enter by the 618 call. And then you do an OCO order, profit at 1.48, stop at 0.74, and never actually hit the stop loss or even get close to it. If you have any questions on the chat, we go over exactly how to do this. We're looking at futures as well. Currently, there is a futures alert. We could close it at 5 points, which did hit the take profit. So if you're on a funded futures account, you could also do this. And we're looking more into how to actually get more of the entries and profit targets. So if you're interested, you can click the link in the description down below. It's a really good service so far. I'm currently at $16.97 profit for a little over a month, and I'm using a $10,000 account, so it's almost 17% return in a little over a month. Really good strategies, working very consistently. Right now, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades that are profitable in a row. You can see I'm making 200, 200, 140. And these are pretty quick trades, very easy to enter. So if you're interested, join the link in the description down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.